Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, the market is open and we can see that after the market opening, the market is behaving like a normal Monday market. So usually we don't get to see much volatility or crazy volume after the market opening or during the first half of Monday. But yes, sometimes market give us surprises, market gets crazy and nothing works. But today we can see the market has opened on a lower note. Market is behaving like a normal Monday market and market is more or less stable. Right now trading around 2431, 2430. If you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold is just lower, safe haven demand likely to support. So more or less we can expect the same market sentiment to remain, and you can expect the market to be, I won't say extremely bullish, but overall on a bullish trend. So the levels that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. On Saturday, we discussed about three levels on the chart of gold. The first level was around 2423. Okay, already the level has done its job. So during the day, we can expect these two levels to perform again. Not again, okay, to perform or provide support to the market. So my dear friend, if you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So my dear friends, okay, the first level has done its job. So next time when market will be coming down again towards 2423, do not expect a bounce around this area. I'm not saying that it will not happen, but okay, but chances of taking support again around 2423 is very less. During the day, if you see market is coming down, so what should be a strategy? Our strategy is we should be looking for a bounce or support around 2415. Okay, around 2415 or around 2415.50, we can expect the market to get some support. If you see the market is showing price rejection from below, okay, you'll get the overall understanding that okay, buyers are present, hit the buy button. The second support is around 2408, 2409. Okay, if market takes support around this area, then also we can go for a buy. How much you can expect? See, gold is like a beast. Okay, you should not go for a tight stop loss of 10 to 20 pips. At least use a stop loss of 40 pips. And initially you should go for a target of 40 pips. Means risk to reward ratio of 1:1. If you see after 40 pips also market is bullish, then you can continue, or you can go for 1:2. But initially in this market situation where there is not much volume, 1:1 risk to reward ratio is decent enough. Because if you go for a 1:2, 1:3, then there's a high chance that after some time market will come down again. Probably you guys have already faced this problem. There, see, the thing is, okay, going for a risk to reward ratio of 1:2, 1:3 is very good. But you should also understand the fact that if market doesn't have the capacity to deliver, then obviously your TP will not get hit. Okay. So today we should be looking for around support on 240015. If market takes support, then only go for a buy. By the US session, if things change drastically, it should not happen. Okay, but if things change drastically, if you see a big red candle, then obviously forget about the buy, because we are traders, not gamblers. Okay, and mostly we can expect the market to remain like this till Wednesday. Why Wednesday? Because see, on Wednesday we have CPI coming up. And as we all know, before a major event like CPI, NFP, market prefers to stay range bound or sideways. So we can expect the same. So we can expect that market may remain range bound like this only. Okay. On Saturday, we discussed one more thing. That is a breakout above 2438. The high made by the market last time. And as the market sentiment is more or less bullish, so in this type of market condition, taking a sell, listen to me carefully, taking a sell at previous high is not a wise decision. Okay, but right now we can see the volume is slow. So if you're a scalper, okay, if you're a scalper, then what you can do is you can switch to a lower time frame like 5 minutes. If you see some selling opportunity around 2437, 2436, you can go for it. How much you can expect? 20, 30 pips also you can expect. But if you are a beginner, new trader, then obviously you should avoid. You should wait for a breakout. If you see a proper breakout, then only go for a buy above 2438. But if you're an experienced trader, seasoned trader, then you can look for a sell around 2437 because it is a risky one. Because the market is more or less bullish. Okay, more or less market is bullish. So taking a sell at previous high is not good. Similarly, if a market is in downtrend, okay, and if see support doesn't mean that you'll have to buy always. Resistance doesn't mean that you'll have to sell always. Okay, and to break any level, okay, in any market, not only is forex market or gold market, okay, in any market, to break any level, what is important? Volume. The volume plays a very important role. So if there is low volume or not much volume in the market will not be able to break it. Right now we can clearly see that volume is low. So in this situation, if market goes up, market will find it difficult to break this level here. That's why I was saying that you can look for a sell around this area as well if you are a seasoned trader. Why? Because experience is important to understand the role of volume. Okay, if you're a beginner, then you only focus on the levels. Okay, you simply press buy and sell buttons around the levels. But you also need to understand that when volume aligns with the levels, then only you should be going for the order. Okay. Anyways, that's a different chapter. Okay, and if market gets crazy by the US session, and if market breaks 2438 area by the US session, okay, look at the size of the candle. If the size of the candle is good enough, then only go for a buy position. Okay, and earlier also I have discussed that taking a breakout is little riskier in comparison to retracement. So if you want to skip buying a buying a breakout, you can avoid. What you can do is you can wait for the market to come down again, because in this market obviously market will not be going up like this. One after a few hours, when market will be coming down again after a breakout, you can look for a buy around the same area, because the same resistance will be working as support. And I think around 2450, okay, day traders can look for a selling opportunity as well. So technically we may not have, okay, technically we may not have resistance around 2450, okay, but I think as a day trader, we can look for some selling around 2450 as well. The big resistance of 248085 is still very much valid. Okay, that we can see at the top. Okay, but we can also look for a sell around 2450, okay, as a day trader as well. So US session is going to be important because US session brings volume, and volume, if volume comes, then market may go for breakouts. Okay, and if volume doesn't come, then we can look for simply buy at support, sell at resistance. Okay, let's wait and watch. And please watch the video of Saturday. Okay, we have discussed everything in detail. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Take care, bye bye, and all the best. Okay, if you do not find any proper opportunity, do not lose patience and gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, peace, bye bye.